In this video, I'll show you how you can make thousands of dollars by selling children's storybooks on Amazon.
Flashback.
It all started when I was scrolling through Amazon looking to buy a storybook for my little brother, and I was shocked. This book over here has got 2,585 ratings, and if you multiply that with the cost of the book, which is $8, you will find out that this seller has made over $20,000 from this book alone. This book has got over 2,129 ratings multiplied with $11.90. You will find out that this seller has made over $23,000. Well, I guess I found a business opportunity here, so let's head straight to ChatGPT to find a story for us. The first step is to create a title for our story. So, I asked the chatbot to generate a title for a storybook for kids. And the first answer was The Magical Adventures of Whiskers and Friends. Sounds good, but I think we can do better.
A few moments later.
The Magical Adventures of Luna and Friends. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead with this. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters and each chapter includes the scenes in detail. Now that we've generated the story outline, we can start generating the actual story content based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter, in my case, the mysterious key, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythm story. And once it's done, read it. And if you don't like the result, you can always regenerate until you're satisfied. Then repeat the same process with all the chapters. And that's it. You now have created a complete story that can make money while you're sleeping. Oh wait, we need illustrations. For generating illustrations, I'm going to be using bluewillow.AI art generator as it's free to use. Once you join the Discord server, join one of the rookie channels, type / and imagine. Once you do that, you can start explaining the image you want to generate. Go back to the story chapters you have generated before and copy the first one. In my case, Luna discovers an old key in her grandmother's attic and paste it into the prompt. After the image has been generated, 2 rows of buttons appear. In the top row, U1, U2, U3 and U4, these buttons are for upscaling the chosen image. In the bottom row, V1, V2, V3 and V4, these buttons create 4 new variations of the selected image. In my case, I like the 4th image, so I clicked on U4 to make it bigger. To save the image, right-click and save the image. Then, I did the same to all the images. Here's a simple tip to maintain the same style in all your images. First, copy the image link, start the prompt and paste the link before explaining the new image. That way, you can maintain the same style. Now, it's time to combine the text generated using ChatGPT and the images generated using Blue Willow to create a professional-looking storybook. Head to canva.com and search for storybook. Then, click on Create a blank storybook. After that, upload all the AI-generated images to Canva. Then, you can simply drag and drop the first image. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first part of the story and paste it on top of your image. Adjust the text as you like. You can change the font style, color or add shadow to your text. After you're done, duplicate the image. Doing that will help you maintain the style while you can add new text and image. Now, all you need to do is replicate the same process in all the chapters of your story and save the book as a PDF print.